Alex, we just spilled our water everywhere. We just spilled our water everywhere. Can you get your glass? Can you get your cup? You want Mommy to get it? Watch Mommy play in the water. Watch Mommy play in the water. So we play in the water. We play in the water. Did Mommy splash you? Did Mommy get you wet? Did Mommy splash you? Yes, she did. Mommy splashed you. You're supposed to splash Mommy back. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what Mommy's talking about. Get mad at Mommy.